You?
Jesus.
What's going on here?
Babe,
Oh, you're awake?
what's going on here?
I said let me clean this place. This place looks so dirty. When last did you clean here?
Alright, let me get something else, okay?
Oh, okay.
Babe. What are you doing?
Cooking, of course.
I'm even trying to order food.
Well, I don't eat outside. I like to prepare my own meal.
Really?
Yeah. You don't even have spices in this house. Don't you cook?
I'm coming here. Clean cook. For this Lagos.
Did he shock me?
Now what for you?
My guy!
I don't dey call you since they pick my.
Now walk now. Now walk.
What is they busy? You will be bachelor.
You don't understand, guy. You don't understand.
No be that one we collect number for that place with that.
Machine now.
You never see the charges OS.
Come. I don't like this time to know. Why do they call OS now? Yeah? Babe, say now she they clean for me. They cook for me. Then they call OS. I don't like this kind to know.
Now the normal format now.
Bro, you talk even if I format, how many guys go cook for you for this Lagos? Chop food first. Chop
The normal
first.
format
Bro, forget that thing. Chop food.
Just a first man.
I don't dey test them.
Man.
It is easy. Easy.
It's sweet though.
You see that? Jackpot.
Format to discharge this girl.
Guys,
Because of woman oh my god.
guys, leave my house.
Babe, do you want to see what my mama made?
Yes.
But a boy will not be your husband. You are a prostitute.
Help! God, look me finish. Give me Choma Jesus with touch of Cardi B. Who am I?
I swear.